Crazy, isn't it? Let me teach you guys how to transform your raw clips into some professional clips. Jump on DaVinci and install Icefield, a plugin for it. Select your clip, go to the workspace and find the Icefield extension. If you are lazy or just a noob like me in color grading, select the LUT, put a reference image and create a LUT in under 1 minute. Okay, now let's see the true potential of the extension Icefield. Let's clear everything except the car. Select your clip, you go to draw to edit, you can draw like Leonardo da Vinci and enter your prompt. Click generate and after that you can see your QA action into the generation menu of Icefield. When it's finished, you just have to import it directly from Icefield into your timeline. Thank you for watching and comment DaVinci to receive the link. Au revoir.